Good evening, students. Myself, Miss Zainab Lulania. I'll be teaching you all English grammar. So we'll start with the easiest topic, that is suffix and prefix. We all know this is a very easy topic. So we'll first look for the prefix. Prefix change the meaning of the word. Sometimes prefix are used to give us opposite of a word. The words which like this, im, un and in are added before a word to make a opposite or antonym of that word. For example, now if you look for the examples, the first example is agree. If we add dis before agree, it becomes disagree. Second is matured. If we add im before matured, it becomes immature. Third example, same. If we add in before a word same, it becomes insane. This shows that it becomes the opposite of the word when we add prefix to a given words. Now if we look for the activities on prefix, approve, disapprove, loyal, disloyal, place, displace, appear, disappear, mature, immature, mortal, immortal, possible, impossible, adequate, inadequate, decent, indecent, appropriate, inappropriate. So this is what we studied for prefix. Now we look for suffix. Suffix are the words which are attached to the end of the words. When you add a suffix to a word, you change a part of speech. Now for example, if you take a word beauty, beauty is noun, but if you add full at the end of the word, it becomes beautiful, which is an adjective. Now examples for suffix. Care, careful, care, careless, careful, careless. It even changed the part of speech according to the sentences. Now activities for suffix. Power, powerful, help, helpful, use, useful, joy, joyful, cheer, cheerful, worth, worthless, thought, thoughtless, pain, painful, useful, useless, cheerful, cheerless. Now these are the examples, more examples we have seen for suffix. Now there is even an activity or exercise for you all to solve it, which is really very entertaining for you all. First of all, you have to find out the opposites of the given word. For example, first one I'm showing you the example for the first one. First one is complete. The opposite of complete is incomplete, right? So you have to make your sentence, your own sentence with the new word from incomplete. Okay, likewise you have to solve the remaining ones and you have to make a meaningful sentence on it. Thank you. Hello friends. Now we'll move on to the next topic for grammar, that is synonyms and antonyms. This topic is related with the previous one which we have already studied, that is suffix and prefix. Now we'll see what are synonyms. Synonyms are different words that mean the same are known as synonyms. For example, funny, silly, reply, answer, fast, quick. Now over here, funny and silly, the meaning is same but the spellings are different. These are known as synonyms. Now what is the importance of synonyms? Synonyms are similar meaning words help to make our spoken and written language more interesting. Now exercise for synonyms. Now write at least 3 synonyms for each of the following. Now you have to take a word, like first one is sad. You have to make at least 3 synonyms for this. You have to write 3 synonyms for at least this word. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next slide, that is antonyms. Antonyms are the words with opposite meanings. Examples are as follows: good, bad, tall, short, fat, thin, happy, sad. Now these are known as what? Antonyms. Now exercise for antonyms. Now in this exercise for both synonym and antonym, I have not mentioned to write the sentences, but you can write the sentences after making the word. For making each word for synonyms and also for the antonym, you can write the sentences if you want. Now, like suffix, prefix, synonyms and antonyms are most easiest topic which are commonly asked in passages. So it is very much necessary for you to know these topics in depth. So I hope students you will be enjoying and obviously taking care of yourself, learning new things in the house. Apart from it, you don't have to forget your studies. Thank you so much.